action.
No! Get away. Actually, the car. In the car, look, I put up speed.
Okay, tell us more.
And look, the race car. Purple. And look at the track.
Cool.
And
What
yeah,
else?
here we got a gumball machine.
Hey, what else? What else do you need to tell us? Now watch it pop in the crocodile go. Cool. Now, Bruce, remember the racetrack?
Wait.
You have to do something about it.
Why don't you go up in here?
Can you go through here?
Where are they at? Where are they at?
They're inside here, baby. Oh.
How you get them out?
Huh? I guess it's my turn to try to write.
Okay.